In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat adding friends. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to take into consideration is the 24-hour cooldown window. So if you're on Snapchat and you're trying to add a bunch of people, and if you've added more than 30 to 50 people in a short window, Snapchat's safety handshake on iOS and Android will freeze your ability to add more. So the fix is to stop trying to add friends for exactly 24 hours, since every time you tap add is gonna reset the timer. And verification matters, so ensure your phone number and email are both verified in settings to double your daily quick add limit. Now, Snapchat also currently has a hard limit of 6,000 friends, so if you end up hitting this, the add button will turn grey or fail silently. So what you could do is go to your friends list, identify any ghost users, and then remove them as a friend. And then even just removing 20 to 30 inactive users usually clears the too many friends error. Now, the final thing that you could go ahead and do is clear your app cache. So we're going to swipe out of this, go over to settings, scroll down until you find general, then go to iPhone storage, then go ahead and find Snapchat and go to offload app, and that's going to clear your phone's cache as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.